Hello guys, this is a showcase on how to play Peni Parker in Marvel Rivals. Her basic shooting doesn't have a limit range, and it has infinite ammo. Also, her headshot doesn't deal extra damage, so keep that in mind when shooting. Wall Crawl is a ability that can make her climb walls. Great way to evade combat. Cyberweb Snare immobilizes targets when you hit them. If the web hits a surface, it creates a cyberweb area. When Peni Parker stands in the web area, she gains healing and velocity.
Here comes trouble!
Cyberbond is basically her web sling. She can fire a strand of web that pulls her to any surface it hits. Penny will be latched with the web until it's cancelled. This ability creates a cyberweb. Bionic Spider Nest is a stationary deployed unit that creates a large cyberweb around its location that spawns arachno mines. Penny can manually position it. Only one can be placed at once, and its cooldown is shorter the more health it currently has after Penny deactivates. Arachno mine are tiny spider-shaped bots that can be shot and attached to any surface. If shot on a cyberweb, they become concealed and invisible to the other team, while inside the webs, the mines will lock on in any enemy that step on the web. Her ultimate vastly increases her movement speed while granting her access to sweep attack that launches enemies upwards. In addition, she gains bonus health and constant launches cyberwebs into arachno mines while running. When the game starts, prioritize using your web swing to arrive first and secure an important area, planting your traps and webs. As a unique ranged tank with infinite ammo, many aim to the healing heroes in the back lines. And remember to stand in those webs so you can heal yourself and move faster. Try placing the spider nest close to a wall in a high traffic area, so the enemies can't easily destroy it. Remember to plant those mines in the webs so they can stay hidden from the enemy's vision. Use your ultimate to regain control of the objective and to disturb their aim, throwing them upwards. Stay aware and replace your mines and nests as soon as possible.
You know what to do, spiders? No kidding, that area is almost yours!
Time to drain. Good thinking, Thor!
I'm counting on you, friends. I need assistance.
When you see the possibility, try using Cyberweb Snare to interrupt ultimates, such as Scarlet Witch. Best case scenario to use this hero is when you have to defend and protect your objective. She is not very effective in your objectives that require the team to advance in the offense.
Counting on you, friends.
As always, keep planting the traps and supporting by distracting the enemies.
Behold the god of thunder!
I know that sound. Looks like the missionary.
Penny is not strong in close-up combat, but that doesn't mean you can be in the front lines. At the end, you are a tank still.
We did it, Spider. Look behind you. Chin up. Turned up, sniper. You know what to do, spiders.
Help your backlines when possible. They are always a target.
Magneto!
This is gonna hurt. Disappear! Plasma? My trap worked! We are undefeatable! We captured powering up. Keep going. Control lost.
Look behind you.
This is gonna hurt.
Time problems, but a sniper.
Evade using your web swing to survive in dangerous combat.
Spiders get the job done.
I'm not done.
Gear up, little ones. Time for some fireworks.
You don't need to stay in a fight to death to regroup with your team.
I'm counting on you.
Flee when necessary and don't give free ultimate build-ups to your opponents.
Get the job done. Control lost.
She is very weak without her web. Try not to waste them.
Systems restoring. I needed that. Their team's capture progress.
To summarize, choose Peni Parker only in defensive scenarios and you'll be golden.